We think electricity was invented in the 1800s. But what if I told you we were 2,000 years late? In 1936, near Baghdad, Iraq, workers digging for a railway uncovered a strange object buried in the sand. It wasn't gold, it wasn't jewelry. It was a simple clay pot about 5 inches tall. But inside was a copper cylinder, and suspended inside that, an iron rod. The top was sealed with asphalt or bitumen. This wasn't a vase for flowers. Wilhelm Kig, the German archaeologist, realized immediately this was a galvanic cell, a battery created during the Parthian Empire, 2,000 years before Benjamin Franklin flew his kite. But does it actually work? Or is it just a weird container for scrolls? After World War II, scientists built exact replicas to test the theory. They filled the pot with grape juice or vinegar acidic liquids available back then. The chemistry is simple. 2 different metals plus an acid equals electricity. When they connected a voltmeter, the needle moved. It produced nearly 1 volt. It was real. The ancients had harnessed the power of electrons. Mythbusters even tested it. They connected 10 jars together and produced over 4 volts. But the biggest mystery isn't how they made it. It is why. They didn't have iPhones. They didn't have TVs. So what did they use electricity for? Theory number 1. Electroplating. Coating cheap metal with gold. Jewelers could sell fake gold as real gold. The perfect ancient scam. Theory number 2. Medicine. Greeks and Romans used electric fish to treat pain. Maybe these batteries were a portable painkiller device for the rich. Theory number 3. Magic. Imagine a priest connecting it to a metal idol. Worshippers touch the idol and get a shock. They think it's the power of God. But there is a 4th, more controversial theory. Ancient light. Look at the Dendera light carving. It looks exactly like a massive vacuum tube. And in the deep tombs of the Valley of the Kings, there is no soot on the ceiling. If they used torches, there would be black smoke marks, but there are none. Did they use banks of these batteries to power ancient arc lamps? It sounds impossible. But remember, we lost the recipe for Roman concrete for 1,000 years. We lost the Antikythera mechanism, the first computer for 2,000 years. History isn't a straight line of progress. It's a cycle of forgetting and relearning. The saddest part, we can't study the batteries anymore. In 2003, during the invasion of Iraq, the National Museum was looted. Thousands of artifacts were stolen or destroyed. The batteries disappeared. They likely vanished into the black market, sitting on some private collector's shelf. Or perhaps they are hidden in a secret vault, waiting to be rediscovered. If the ancients had electricity, what else did they have? Wireless power, sound levitation. We underestimate our ancestors. They weren't primitive, they were geniuses. The Baghdad battery proves that technology can exist, long before we think it should. So next time your phone dies, remember, someone in the desert 2,000 years ago might have had a charger. What other secrets are buried in the sand? Subscribe to the Enigma archives as we dig them up.